All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. All right, we got a story problem here. Great, I love story problems. Here we go. It says, once upon a time, there was a little wolf with a basket full of bread. Okay? Before the wolf left her house, she had 20 loaves of bread. All right? Then after walking 1 mile, she met a hungry little monkey, and she gave that monkey 4 loaves of bread. Okay, so we're walking miles and we're losing bread. Walking miles, losing bread. I get it, okay? The wolf then walked another mile, and then here the wolf met a hungry little hippopotamus. Our kind little wolf gave the hungry little hippopotamus 4 loaves of bread. Okay, the wolf then walked another mile. Here the wolf met a hungry little pangolin. The little wolf also gave the pangolin 4 loaves of bread. Hopefully we can see the pattern here, right? Walk a mile, lose 4 loaves. Walk a mile, not lose. How about let's rephrase that positively. Walk a mile, give 4 loaves, like a very kind little wolf, okay? This pattern continues until the little wolf ran out of bread. It says graph this story below, and don't forget to label the x and y axes. Okay, well let's come on down here. Let's label these first. So here we have the dependent variable here, and then the independent variable here. And if you really think about this, right, the bread, how much bread this little wolf has, really depends. Keyword there, depends on how many miles the little wolf walks, right? If the little wolf walks 0 miles, the little wolf has 20 loaves of bread. If the little wolf walks 2 miles or 1 mile, then the wolf loses 4. So the amount of bread the wolf has depends, right, on the miles. So the miles are independent. So we're going to always make x our independent. So we're going to write this. This is just miles. Or you can say miles walked. Okay, sure. And we'll say that's 1. This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could probably stop, but why not just put them all in? Okay. And now, when we think about how we want to contextualize this y-axis is going to be loaves of bread. Okie dokie. That's loaves of bread. And you don't always have to build your y-axis to match your data, but in this case we can, because we know it's going to be consistent. Now, hypothetically we could make it go, I don't know, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 if you want it, but because we know it's consistent, we can make it work. We saw it's going down by 4 every mile, so I'm actually just going to make this bread live in increments of 4. Okay, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and if I wanted to keep going, I could. Yeah, why not? And the key here is to understand this. Your y-axis can go up at any interval you want as long as it's a consistent interval, right? Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. And you can see that's different down here because it's plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. That's fine. The key here is it just has to be consistent on the y and consistent on the x. Okay, so now it's time to just kind of graph this story. So when the story started, our little wolf went 0 miles, but at 0, she had 20, okay? Then she went 1 mile and lost 4, which puts her down to 16. She went 1 more mile, lost 4, so she's down to 12. 1 more mile, lost 12. 1 more mile, lost 12. 1 more mile, lost 12. And this is an interesting case here because you could actually just kind of leave it like this. If you really want to get into it, when you start thinking about continuous and discrete data, these are actually discrete data points, right? It just goes boom, 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 boom. If we connect this line, what it actually would do is imply that she was slowly losing bread as she walked. That'd be like her slowly eating bread, 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 and it slowly goes away. But that's not actually what happens, right? Here we have 20, and actually all through here, 20 is still how much she has, and then she gets here and she loses 4, so at this moment she has 16. She actually has 16 until here, boom, okay? So there you go. That is how you graph it. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. And, oh yeah, if you like Mathity-Math, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get notified when I make more Mathity-Math just for you. Thank you. Bye.